After dealing with menu redesign, layout broken, and UI navigation errors myself, and spending days testing different fixes, I eventually identified several methods that actually work, and I'll walk you through them now. The first method involves clearing the application's cache and resetting its UI settings, which often resolves temporary data corruption causing navigation problems. Reinstalling the application or checking for updates directly addresses outdated or corrupted program files that might be creating these display issues. Method 2 focuses on system-level integrity. Updating your system drivers and running a system file checker ensures your operating system and hardware are communicating correctly, preventing conflicts that lead to UI errors. Adjusting display settings or testing in safe mode can reveal if external factors are interfering with the interface. Method 3 targets browser-based applications, clearing browser cache, resetting settings, and updating the browser itself eliminates common web-related glitches. Disabling hardware acceleration can also prevent rendering conflicts. Finally, Method 4 delves into more advanced fixes like editing configuration files or reverting to a previous version, which are powerful for resolving deep-seated issues with the application's code or settings. Checking application logs helps pinpoint the exact source of the problem, allowing for a precise fix.